The LCM of, one more, third question, LCM of 12 power 12, 256 power 9 and x is 24 power 24. How many integral values x will take? Let us see. Same step by step. 12 power 12 is 2 square into 3 power 12, which is 2 power 24 into 3 power 12. 256 power 9 is 2 power 8 power 9, which is 2 power 72. X I don't know. 24 power 24 is 2 cube into 3 power 24. Haritha, listen carefully, you will understand it here. It is 2 power 72 into 3 power 24. Now see here, it is 2 power 72. 2 power 72, check whether it is present in any of these three numbers. Not present here. Entire 2 power 72 is present. So x can take any value from 0 to 72. 3 power 24 not present in the first. Second, it should be not present. Second, it is not present. Third, definitely it should be present. So 2 power 0 into 3 power 24 till 2 power 72 into 3 power 24. 0 to 72 is 73 values. Is it clear? Model 2, 3 examples. If it is clear to you, reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Highly conceptual content, not the routine based generic problems. Everybody kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Absolutely quality problems. Everybody kindly reply if it is clear to you. Kindly reply if it is clear to you. I hope it is clear. Right. Everybody says clear, so I can go to method 3. LCM of first 120 natural numbers. Already we did this. LCM of first 120 natural numbers. LCM of first 125 natural numbers. This is kx. This is kx. Already we did this in our first class. Find k. What is the shortcut I discussed? After 120, what are all the natural numbers that are present? 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. Identify the numbers. Identify the numbers which are of the form p power k. Identify the numbers which are of the form p power k. P is a prime number. Morning we discussed, afternoon we discussed 2 into 61, 3 into 41, 4 into 31. This is 11 square 121. This is 5 cube 125. What is the highest power of 11 till 121? 11 power 1 is 11. 11 square is 121. So extra one more 11 you will get. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. Extra 5 I will get. So the k value is 55. We have discussed in the evening session. In case if you want to revisit the session, Make your friends listen to the class. All these 60 hours you can listen to the class freely for one time. You want to listen to it again, then you have to reach that number 55. Again I am explaining. After 120, what are all the natural numbers? 121, 122, 123, 125, 125. 121 is 11 square. 125 is 5 cube. Power of 11 till 120 is only 1, highest power. So extra 11 will come. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. Extra 5 will come. 11 into 5 is 55. Clear, right? One more. LCM. I hope Shiva right now you are understanding. LCM of, directly you will say 85 natural numbers. 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 85. We should identify the numbers. Identify the numbers which are of the form p power k, where p is a prime number. 78 is 2 into 13, 2 into 40, 2 into 41, 4 into 21, 85. 79 is 79 power 1 as it is. 81 is 3 power 4. Highest power of 3 till 77. 3 cube is 27. So extra 3 will come. These over. 83 is another prime number. 79 into 3 into 83. This is the answer. Just by looking at the numbers, you will determine what is the concept in this. Identify the numbers which are of the form. Identify the numbers which are of the form p power k. P power k. 79 into 3 into 83. Model 3. These also we discussed. Model 3 also over. Model 4. Model 3. I think already we discussed. Both are equal. First class we discussed. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 10 is equivalent to LCM of 7, 8, 9, 10. Both are equal. We have discussed Y also. Right? In case if you miss the previous session, you may find this session little difficult. Now, I kept this question because so many students have asked me to repeat it in the WhatsApp. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 200 divided by 105, 107 till 200. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 200. What is the highest power of 2 till 200? 2 power 6 is 64. 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 8 is 256. So it is 2 power 7. Highest power of 3. 3 power 4 is 81. 3 power 5 is 243. 3 power 4. 5 cube. 7 square. 11 square is 121. 13 square is 169. 17 square. All are remaining and so on up to 199 power 1. 199 power 1. All are prime numbers divided by 2 divided by and so on up to, in between here 101 power 1 will come, 103 power 1 will come, 107 power 1 will come, and so on. And so on. I hope it is clear, right? Any LCM can be written as the highest power of the prime number. 2 power 7 128, 3 power 4 81, 5 cube 125, and so on up to 101 power 1 till 199 power 1 divided by highest power of 2 128, it is present in this set. Highest power of 3 8, 3 power 4 81, 81. If you see in this set there is a number known as 162. 162 is 81 into 2. So 3 power 4 will come. 5 cube 125 is there. Everything will come except these two numbers, because it is starting with 105. So what is missing? 101 into 103. 101 into 103. 101 is missing, 103 is missing. Any doubts? Ask me. Any doubts? Any doubts? For us, you really need to reduce the number of times you keep the same line. So many times you are keeping the same line again and again. I hope it is clear, right? Any doubts? LCM always takes the highest power of the. What is the doubt? What is the doubt? Please mention the doubt. How will I come to know what is your doubt if you say, sir, doubt? What exactly is your doubt? Next, please tell this answer. Just look at it and say the answer. Say this answer. Don't use pen. You are my students. My students has to be extremely sharp. Now tell me, what are all the values will come? Which values will come? Mention the answer. Write the answer. LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 100. 2 power 6, 64. 3 power 4. 5 square. 5 square. 25. 7 square. 49. And so on. Up to 53. Remaining is 59 power 1. And so on up to 97 power 1. Divided by 2 power 6, 64, it will come. 3 power 4, 81, it will come. 5 square 25, it will come. Till 97 power 1. What is missing? 53 is missing. 51 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. So it is eliminated. 51 is 3 into 17. 51 is 3 into 17. 51 is 3 into 17. Aishwarya, the doubt which you asked is an easy doubt, right? I will take up your doubt. 51 is a composite number. Be careful. 51 is a composite number. Aishwarya, this is for you. Let me take a smaller number. LCM of 1 to till 20. LCM of 10 to 20. If you do add 1 0, it will become 1 to 200, 100 to 200. Aishwarya, for you, what is the highest power of 2 in 20? 2 power 4. 3 is 3 square. 5 power 1. 7 power 1. And so on up to 19 power 1. 16 is present from 10 to 20. Next one, 9. 18 is present here, which is 9 into 2. 5 power 1 will be present. 7 power 1 will be present. 19 also will be present. Both are same, right? Finish. Both are same. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime numbers. 2 power 4, 3 square, 5, 7 till 19. 16 will come in this set. 9 multiple 18 will come in this set. 5 multiple 20 will come in this set. 7 multiple 14 will come in this set. Both are same. I hope it is clear for you. I think you have kept this doubt in the WhatsApp also. I hope it is clear for you. Right? Balaji asks a question. What is a natural number set is? Natural number set has 3 kinds of numbers. One, another is prime number. Another is composite number. Another is composite number. A prime number will have 2 factors. Only 2 factors. That is 1 and itself. One will have only 1 factor. That is 1. Composite number will have greater than 2 factors. A greater than 2 factors. Anand, could be in hurry I wrote 5 square. LCM of 1 till 20. It is 5 power 1 only beta. 2 power 3 square. 7 power 1, 11 power 1, 19 power 1. 10 to 20 also same numbers will come. It is 5 power 1. In hurry I might have written it as 5 square. Somebody, Balaji, asked me what is a composite number. I hope you got the idea. Composite number is a number which got greater than 2 factors. Prime number only 2 factors. Only 1 factor, it is 1. Right? Shereen, already I explained that problem 3 times, so I am skipping. LCM model 4. Very, very important problem. Extremely tough problem. I will make it into an easiest problem. Just wait and see the magic that I will create with respect to the concept here. Generally in our exam, school books are everything. Numbers are given, LCM we have to find out. What I did, I removed one number and I gave you the LCM. Then I asked you how many values that number will take. Now I removed the entire numbers. I just gave you the LCM and I am asking you find out how many values that numbers will take. First is a traditional method. Another is Anil Nayar's method. Listen carefully to method 1. Method 1. I want you to pay extra attention to this problem. How many set of 2 different numbers? Let there are 2 numbers A and B whose LCM is 72. LCM of A and B is 72. A we don't know. B we don't know. But we know that the LCM is 72. Which is 2 cube into 3 square. Answer contains prime bases 2 and 3. Answer contains prime bases 2 and 3. So question also should contain 2 and 3. 2 power x1 into 3 power y1. 2 power x2 into 3 power y2. LCM means it is the highest power of the given prime bases. Highest power of the given prime bases. So maximum of x1 and x2. Maximum of x1 and x2 has to be 3 because LCM takes the highest power of the prime bases. Maximum of y1 and y2, it has to be 2. Maximum of y1 and y2, it is 2. So this is If x1 is 3, x2 can be 0, 1, 2. Am I right? 3, 0 maximum is 3. 3, 1 maximum is 3. 3, 2 maximum is 3. 3, 3 maximum is 3. If x2 is 3, x1 can also be 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 3 it is 3. 1, 3 it is 3. 2, 3 it is 3. Am I right? Totally how many values we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For this, I got 7 values. Are you all with me? Similarly, maximum of y1, y2 is 2. Maximum of y1, y2 is 2. If y1 is 2, y2 will be 0, 1, 2. If y2 is 2, y1 will be 0, 1. Is it clear to you? Method 1, time consuming method. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2. How many values? 5. 7 into 5. Answer is 35 values. Answer is 35 values. Please see this question. You got a doubt? Ask me. Again I am explaining step by step. Then I will tell you Anil Nayar's way of solving this question. This question will take 2 to 4 minutes to solve the question. We will complete the question in less than 10 seconds. But we should know the traditional method. LCM of two numbers is 72. Step number 1. 72 is 2 power 3 into 3 square. Because answer contains 2, question also contains 2. 2 power x1 into 2 power x2. 3 power y1 into 3 power y2. Maximum of x1, x2 is 3. Maximum of y1, y2 is 2. x1, x2 if it is 3. If x1 is 3, x2 can take 0, 1, 2, 3. If x2 is 3, x1 can take 0, 1, 2. Similarly for y1 and y2 too. How many of you understood this traditional method? Permutation and combination. x1, x2 I got 7 cases. y1, y2 I got 5 cases. 7 into 5. It is 35 cases. It is 35 cases. The root cause lies in understanding that 72 is 2 power 3. Because it is power 3 and the LCM takes the highest power. LCM takes the highest power. x1, x2. If x1 is 3, x2 is 0, 1, 2, 3. Think logically. 2 power 3 to 2 power 0. Highest is 2 power 3. 2 power 3, 2 power 1. Highest is 2 power 3. 2 power 3, 2 power 3. Highest. So total 7 into 5. It is 35 cases. Traditional method, bookish method, step by step method, long method. This question, many of the students will not solve this question because they think that this question is very, very difficult. Method 2. Please write down method 2. Write down method 2. Method 2. Why you should listen to Anil Nayar's classes? Why I create 100 percentilers in CAT examination? You will understand because of this. Anil Nayar's way to solve. Method 2. Method 2. First I will explain neatly. Then I will directly write the answer. LCM of A comma B is 72. A we don't know. B we don't know. 72 is 2 power 3 into 3 square. A is 2 power x1 into 3 power y1, 2 power x2 into 3 power y2. Maximum of x1, x2, it is 3. If x1 is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. If x2 is 3, it is 0, 1, 2. Listen carefully. What are all the cases? 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2. 0, 3, 0, 1, 3, 2, 3, and next is 3, 3. Total 7 values I got. Now, listen carefully, sir. This is something which we should know. Now, LCM of A comma B is 72, which is 2 power 3 into 3 square. Now see, can I say every ordered pair has got at least 1 3? Yes or no? Every ordered pair has got at least 1 3. Yes or no? Every ordered pair has got at least 1 3. Now I am using at least 1 is nothing but total minus none. What is this? I will explain. Till I make it clear, please just listen to me. At least 1 is total minus none. What is this total minus none? Give all the powers of 2 to A. A is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3. B also give 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. All values give. 0 to 3 is 4, 0 to 3 is 4. Total cases I will get 4 square. Minus none. Remove the power of 3. 3 3s are 9. 16 minus 7 is 9 is 7 cases. Please see what are all these cases. Please see here till I make you understand. You are not going to write it. You are not going to write it, because when I was teaching as a South India academic head, many teachers have said that this question is difficult. So I told them it is not difficult. If I sit and spend some time, I will find out a way. People say that I am known for simplifying things. Now see here. Total cases. What are these total 16 cases? 16 cases are 0 0, 0 1, 0 2, 0 3, 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 2 0, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 0, 3 1, 3 2, and 3 3. These are the total cases. 4 square cases minus. If I remove none means don't take power of 3. 0 0 should be removed. 0 1 should be removed. 0 2 should be removed. 1 0 is removed. 1 1 is removed. 1 2 is removed. 2 0 is removed. 2 1 is removed. 2 2 is removed. What are these remaining? Remaining is this what we got it there. x1 3, x2 0, 1 2 3. Yes or no? At least 1 is nothing but total minus none. At least 1 is nothing but total minus none. A means all the powers of 2 starting from 0 to 3. B also give all from 0 to 3. None means do not take 2 power 3. Similarly, next case, A will take all the powers of 3. 3 power 0 to 2. I got 3 square cases. Minus don't take 3 power 2. Minus 2 square. 7 into 5 is 35. 7 into 5 is 35. A 4-minute problem will become a 10 seconds problem if you understand the root cause of the problem. If you understand the root cause of the problem, this becomes very, very easy for you. I will do some more examples.